Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive, truly monumental shift in the tech landscape based on our latest source material. We are pushing the AI frontier, moving from code all the way to courtrooms. We're way past the days of basic, clunky chatbots. What we're looking at right now with next-gen AI, specifically models like Claude's Fable 5, is the rise of the truly autonomous problem-solving agent. We're talking about systems that integrate straight into highly complex, high-stakes environments and just do the heavy lifting. I'm so pumped to get into this with you because honestly, the way this is transforming industries is just wild.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Right out of the gate, the developers behind Fable dropped a really revealing insight. They noted there's this whole class of problems that people weren't even necessarily thinking about. So what does that actually mean for us? Well, it means we're done just asking AI to summarize a meeting or draft a polite email. Fable is going after entirely uncharted territory. It's taking on complex, multi-layered workflows that we all used to think were just way too nuanced for a machine to handle. We're stepping into a completely new arena of problem solving here.
And that brings us to the core of today's explainer, the frontier. Now, this isn't just some flashy tech buzzword. It's a very real, very new threshold of capability where models can actually perform deep, autonomous problem solving. If you've used older AI, you definitely know the pain of what developers call repeated nudging. You know that endless cycle where you have to babysit the AI, give it tiny bite-sized instructions, and constantly fix its mistakes? Well, the frontier means that relief is finally here. You can hand off a massive problem, and the system actually has the cognitive stamina to see it all the way through to the end.
To see exactly how fast this is moving in the real world, let's talk finance. Herbia is deploying this AI to compress the deal lifecycle. And look, in finance, speed is literally everything. If an AI can accurately chew through mountains of dense financial data and speed up finalizing a deal, that's not just a cool party trick. That is a massive, immediate competitive advantage for a firm. And they aren't just guessing about these improvements either. On an incredibly rigorous financial data set, one that was specifically designed to be exceptionally hard to parse, they saw a massive 20% jump in performance. 20%. When you consider how dense and unforgiving financial data actually is, a 20% leap is just staggering. It proves that when you throw harder and harder problems at this model, it doesn't just hallucinate and break down. It comes back with the right answers. And that reliability, that's what lets firms confidently push the boundaries of what they can hand off.
Moving at that same rapid pace, let's pivot over to software development with Cursor, an AI coding agent built for professional developers. Again, we are seeing the complete elimination of friction here. Developers used to have to constantly nudge older models back on track, but with Fable, it just stays perfectly aligned with the goal. You bypass all that micromanagement. It's deep problem solving where you basically just say, go do this, and it does it. Just imagine the sheer productivity unlock when the friction between human intent and machine execution simply vanishes.
And this empowerment totally extends beyond just specialized coders. Take Base 44. They're using this tech to let users build full-stack applications. They call it a vibe quality platform, and it's opening up possibilities that teams were, quite honestly, previously too scared to even try. When the AI can handle the crushing, tedious complexity of back-end code, human creators are suddenly freed up to tackle these massive, ambitious ideas that they used to just shelve because they didn't have the resources.
And there's a great example that brilliantly illustrates exactly what we're talking about. Rebuilding a system prompt. The old way? Base 44 had to take their top 3 engineers, lock them in a conference room, and probably slide pizzas under the door while they grind away for a couple of days. It's incredibly expensive, exhausting work. But with Fable, they let the model run for just 4 hours, and it came back 90 to 95% complete. 4 hours of an AI running in the background versus days of your top human talent grinding it out. The efficiency gains are just off the charts.
But what happens when things get really messy? Let's move to cognition and see how this builds. They've created Devin, which they call the world's first AI software engineer. It's one thing to build a fresh, shiny app from scratch in a clean environment, but it is an entirely different beast for an AI to survive in an intense, messy, corporate environment filled with ancient, inherited code.
Just to put this into perspective, Cognition works with massive clients. We're talking about a bank with 30,000 engineers. 30,000. Just let that scale sink in for a second. That is decades and decades of legacy internal tools stacked on top of each other. Older AI models would completely fall apart when faced with this labyrinth of legacy systems. But Fable proved to be a massive step change. It actually survives and successfully navigates these incredibly dense, historically complicated environments. Now, I want to intentionally slow down our pacing right here, because we are going to telescope deeply into one of the absolute most profound areas of transformation happening today, the legal sector. Thomson Reuters has a long history, but today they are a tech company intensely focused on expert information. In law, being fast or creative isn't enough. The absolute non-negotiable requirement is that you have to be right all of the time. There is massive gravity to this work. A dropped context or a hallucination in a legal brief isn't just an oops moment, it's a potential disaster. To really grasp this, let's walk through the absolute headache that is traditional legal drafting. These motions are some of the hardest documents a lawyer will ever file. Step 1, they have to gather an immense amount of historical context, case law, and precedent. Step 2, they have to draft the arguments with 100% precision. Every single citation and logical leap has to be flawless. And Step 3, this agonizing process historically drains days, sometimes weeks of human effort just to finalize one single motion. It is a monumental time drain. Now, what's really interesting about this is that drafting these complex motions is basically the ultimate stress test for an AI. For years, this task required way too much context and way too much precision to even be historically possible for artificial intelligence. Older models just couldn't hold that much specialized legal information in their memory without losing the thread or worse, inventing fake case law. But at this new frontier, we're finally seeing models that can actually hold the context and pull this off.
So the crucial point is captured perfectly in a recent insight from Thomson Reuters. As these models get better at handling this intense precision, they are seeing a real compounding effect to the quality of the legal solutions we're able to build. Really think about what this transformation actually means for the legal field. If an AI can safely absorb the heavy lifting of drafting these intricate motions, taking a weeks-long process down to a few hours, you are absolutely not replacing lawyers. You are unlocking them. You're giving brilliant legal minds the freedom to stop drowning in tedious paperwork so they can pioneer high-level legal strategies, take on significantly more complex cases, and offer unprecedented levels of client advocacy. It opens up entirely new business models for firms that just weren't possible before. It fundamentally redefines the practice of law. And that really brings all of our narrative threads together today. Whether it's parsing rigorous financial data for habeas, coding autonomously without constant nudging for Cursor and Base 44, navigating decades of tangled bank code for cognition, or drafting hyper-precise legal motions for Thomson Reuters, the underlying theme is survival. This step change means AI can finally survive in our absolute most demanding professional environments. And when an AI proves it can survive and execute perfectly under those rigorous conditions, that fundamentally increases the trust that we humans place in it. Which leaves us with this final thought. We've seen that the frontier isn't about novelty anymore. It's about trust and deep delegation. When AI can flawlessly navigate decades of tangled legacy systems and craft complex, high-stakes legal motions that require absolute precision, what bigger projects will you finally trust it to take on in your own work? The compounding possibilities here are just limitless. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive in the Explainer, and keep exploring the frontier.